Hello everyone. I'm going to take some time in this video to show you how to create a Google Meet link through Google Classroom that will remain the same link for the entire school year for your remote learners or students who are deciding to learn remotely during the hybrid session. So what we're going to do first is once we open up our Google Chrome, we're going to open a new tab, and I need to get to my Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on my Google Apps on the right, and I'm going to look for Classroom and click Classroom. Now you may already have it bookmarked, you may have it in another location, but what you want to do is get to classroom.google.com. Once you're in classroom.google.com, you want to create a new class. So on the right-hand side, you're going to click the plus, and then you're going to click Create Class. When you click Create Class, you're going to name it. So I'm going to call mine Mr. Spivey 2020-2021, and I'm going to create it. It's going to take a few seconds for that class to create and populate to your classroom window page. Once that classroom is created, it's going to open right into the classroom. Now at the top of the screen under your title banner, you're going to see class code and meet link, generate meet link. You're only going to see this one time. What you're going to do is click where it says generate meet link. And then you're going to get a pop-up window that says, with Meet Videos Meetings, you can connect students for distance learning. You can manage Meet in your class settings. We're going to click Generate Meet Link. And this is set to visible to students once you do that, which is important. You're going to click Copy at this point. So copy and then save. Now for the teacher, if you just go to your classroom, let's say that I was opening up my computer for the day and I just started Chrome and I went into Google Classroom, you're going to see your classrooms laid out, and you're going to pick the one for this year, and you're going to see your Google Meet is right there. And all you have to do to access it is click on that Meet, and it's going to open up a new tab, and it will take you to your Meet where you get to run the session. Now to get this link to students that we copied in the previous screen, we're going to go to our Seesaw page. So I'm going to go to Seesaw, and I'm going to add an announcement. So I'm going to click Add, Send Announcement. And then after I do that, I'm going to say, I want to send this to all my students. And this is going to be Mr. Spivey's Google Meet page for actually I'm going to call it Google Meet link for the whole year. Now what I need to do is click Add Attachment. So I'm giving it a title. I'm going to add attachment. Now I'm going to say I want to do a link. Now I paste that link. Remember that I copied the link when I set it up? I'm going to paste that link into that enter a website URL. There's my link to my Google Meet. I'm going to click the check mark. It's going to give this gigantic picture. You can change that picture if you want. You can unlock it to move it around. You can just leave it there. But once you're done, you're going to click the check mark on the top right. And then that is the message, the announcement we're going to send. So I'm going to click Send Now. And now that message is going out to the students. Here's the key feature. It's going to be located in their inbox in student announcements. That's where your students will find it. Your journal is where all your classwork information is going to be located that you're going to be posting for students. And for them to join your Google Meet, they're going to need to click on the inbox. Under Messages, we're going to see, here's our inbox, and we're going to click on it. It's going to take us to the message page. Once that page loads, it's going to allow us to see that picture that we had inserted. And there's the link for the Google Meet. If we click on it, it's going to go ahead and open up a new tab and allow the students to join the Google Meet. Now the students can't join a Google Meet unless you are already in the Meet. I hope this is helpful to you in setting up your classroom meetings for the year. I really do find that using Google Classroom is a great way to generate a Meet that code that won't change, and you won't have to keep trying to figure out where it is because it's always going to be on the top in the banner of your Google Classroom page. Thank you and have a wonderful day.